hard to imagine the panic of people stuck in traffic when the road suddenly filled up with water. Reinforcements have now come from all over Germany because not only were residents completely taken by surprise by the floods, they also completely overwhelmed government services.
We hope that they made it out of their cars, but we are not sure. And we can't guarantee that there are perhaps people in the cars.
We have clothes, shoes for men, women, and children, everything they need. It's great to see how much support is coming in.
We have nothing left, no home, no furniture or clothes. It's so hard, but I say to myself, at least I saved my child. As a mother, that's the most important.
It's about solidarity, supporting people to show they aren't alone with this devastation. When they see all these young people coming to help them during their summer holidays, well, it's just amazing and heartwarming.